Adding skylights to historic home.
So I'm going to go 1 inch bigger so that there's a 1/2 inch on either side. So here's my center. Half of 61 is 30.5. Take my mark right there. Now I'm going to go double. Like that. 1, 2. All right, there's going to be a little knee wall where that electrical box is. So these are 60-inch long. This side we have less space because once this is finished with sheetrock, we only have 60 inches or so. So we're going to do 45-inch skylights here. So my rough opening is I'm just going to make it 1 inch bigger. I like to have a 1/2 inch on top and bottom to play with it and make it look centered inside the opening. So I'm going to go from my center mark. What is that? Oh boy. What is 1/2 of 46? 23.